Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Phantom. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Phantom wallet, and once you are on the home page, you are going to see this buy button. So you need to tap on buy, and after that, among the given coin lists, you will have to select Solana. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Solana, and then you need to press next in the bottom. Afterwards, you will be asked to choose the payment methods and you will be given two different options. First is of MoonPay and the second one is of Coinbase Pay. So you just have to select any of the options as you want. For this video, I'm going to select MoonPay. So I'll simply tap on MoonPay and then you will be landed on the official website of MoonPay. Now over here, it will show you the conversion as I have selected 100 USD. So it is showing me how much Solana will I get if I want to purchase it for $100. So you will have to press continue in the bottom and then it will ask you to create your account on it, or if you already have a MoonPay account then you just have to log in into your account. After that, you need to select any of the payment methods like Google Pay or credit or debit card or bank transfer, and then you just have to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to easily purchase Solana on Phantom. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.